have you learned?
I have learned the definition of context, the social function of context, the generic structure, the language feature, and also the example of context.
What have you understood?
The context is a text which retells event or experience in the past. The social function of context is to retell past experience for the purpose of incoming or entertaining. The generic structure of context is orientation, events, and reorientation. Orientation is the basic information needed to understand in the text. Event is a series or of events ordered in chronological sequence, and reorientation is a personal comment about the event or what happened in the end. Lastly, the language feature of context include the use of past tense, temporal sequencing, focus on specific participant, conjunction, and action. And the third example of context is last Monday was my first day at school. Was my first day at school. Is junior high school. I felt nervous but excited. I woke up early, wore my new uniform, and went to school. I went to school with my dad. And school, I met many new friends and friendly teachers. We had a short introduction and school tour.
Okay, what is the most interesting of presentation?
The most interesting for during the presentation is was listening to them talk about the material they presented.
Okay, give suggestion for presentation.
I suggest using the more visuals or picture to make the presentation more interesting. Also try to speak early and make eye contact with the audience.
What have you learned?
I have learned the definition of biographic text, the social function of biographic text, the generic structure, and the language feature, and also the example of biography.
What have you understood?
I understood about biography text is a text written about someone else's life, usually someone famous. The social function is to know a person's story about his or her life outside of any accomplishment. This person may be known for and give lots of information easily and to the readers. The generic structure is orientation, events, reorientation. Orientation is a biographic contents. Narrated biodata such as full name, place, and date of birth. Events so be in chronological order. This text is the part that tells about that events or experienced by the people. Reorientation is the concluding part that clarifies the later opinions or perspective about the subject. The language feature of biography are using past tense, using themes expression, and focusing on specific participant. And the short example of biography of the story B.J. Habibie. Was the Harun Yusuf Habibie was the third president of Indonesia. He was born on June in Parepare, South Sulawesi. Habibie was a brilliant engineer and studied in Germany. Before becoming president, he served as Minister of Research and Technology. He became president after the resignation of President Suharto. Habibie was known for his intelligence and contribution to Indonesia's aircraft industry.
What is the most interesting during presentation?
The most interesting part during the presentation was listening to them talk about the material they presented.
Give your suggestion
For presentation.
I
suggest using more visuals or picture to make the presentation more interesting. Also try to speak early and make them with the audience.
What have you learned?
I have learned the definition of personal recount, the social function of personal recount, and the generic structure of personal recount, and the language feature of personal recount.
What have you understood?
I understood a personal context is a type text that records event or experience that someone has personally experienced in the past. The purpose of this text is to entertain, inform, reflect on a past event. The structure of personal context includes three main parts: orientation, which introduces the background information, such as who, where, and when events which describe the sequence of event is chronological order, and reorientation, which provides a personal conclusion about the experience. The social function of personal recount is to share personal experience with others, often to entertain or to preserve memories. In terms of language features, personal recount text commonly use past tense verbs, time connected action verbs, and then personal pronouns. For example, short personal account might be: last weekend, I went to be on my beach. I went to be a beach with my family. We played in the sand, swam in the sea, and ate delicious food. It was a fun and relaxing day. I will always remember. This text illustrates the structure, purpose, and language feature typical of personal recount.
What is the most interesting during presentation?
I really enjoyed the Q&A session because it showed how well the presenters understood the topic and how confident they were in answering questions.
Give suggestion of presentation.
I suggest using more visuals or pictures to make the presentation more interesting. Also try to speak early and make a contact with the audience.
What have you learned?
I have learned the definition of asking and giving direction, the social function, asking and giving direction, and the generic structure, the language feature, and also the example of asking and giving direction.
What have you understood?
The definition of asking and giving direction involves the exchange information where one person inquires about how to reach a specific destination and provides the necessary guidance. The generic structure is opening or greeting, asking for direction, giving direction, clarification, and closing or thinking. The social function of asking and giving direction is to facilitate communication and help individuals navigate from one place to another. The language feature of asking and giving direction is polite request, interrogative sentence, specific imperative sentence, corruption of the place, sequence of use of landmarks. The short example of asking and giving direction is one dialogue. Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the post office? B. Sure, go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left.
What is the most interesting during travel? What is the most interesting of presentation?
The most interesting part during the presentation was listening to them talk about the material they presented.
Give suggestion for presentation.
I suggest using more visual or picture to make the presentation more interesting. Also try to speak early and make a contact with the audience.
What have you learned?
I have learned the definition of table and schedule, the social function of table and schedule, the generic structure, the language feature, and also the example of table and schedule.
What have you understood?
Yes, I understood a table is a structured format that organizes information into rows and columns for easy reading and comparison. And a schedule or itinerary is a plan or list of activities with specific times, dates, and place. Often used for travel, events, or daily plans and table schedule. Itinerary usually includes date or day, time, activities or events, place or location. The social function of table and schedule is to inform, organize activities clearly, track different events or routines, help avoid confusion and manage time effectively. Lastly, the language feature is simple present tense, time expression, text expressions, and short phrase or bullet points and abbreviations.
What is the most interesting during presentation?
The most interesting part during the presentation was listening to them talk about the material they presented.
Give the suggestion for presentation.
I suggest using more visuals or pictures to make the presentation more interesting. Also, try to speak early and make eye contact with the
Have you
audience.
learned?
I have learned the definition of the request, the social function of the request, the generic structure, the language features, and also the example of request.
What if you understood?
Yes, I understood. The request itinerary is a form of communication where someone asks for a detailed plan or schedule of travel, events, or activities. I usually include asking about the time, date, place, aim, and sequence or events during a trip or program. A request for an itinerary typically includes greeting, statement of request, details or clarification, and closing or thank you. The social function of a request itinerary is to ask for information or confirmation about a planned schedule, to help the requester prepare and manage their time or travel based on the itinerary, to maintain clear the communication. The language feature is the simple present tense, formal or semi-formal language, time and dates expressions, and the short example is: I would like to request the detailed itinerary for the school trip to Jakarta on July. Please include the departure time, activities, and accommodation information. Thank you for your assistance. Best regards, Sarah.
What is the most interesting during presentation?
The most interesting part during the presentation was listening to them talk about the material they presented.
Give suggestion for presentation.
I suggest using more visual or picture to make the presentation more interesting. Also, try to speak early and make eye contact with the audience.
What have you learned?
I have learned the definition of procedural text, the social function of procedural text, the generic structure, the language elements, and also the example of procedural text.
What have you understood?
I understood about procedural text is text that explain or help use how to make or use something. Its social function is to describe how something is completely done through a sequence of steps. The social function to describe how something is made through a sequence of action or steps. The generic structure of procedural text is goal, material, and step. Language element of procedural text is use adverbial of sequence, using temporal conjunction, use command and imperative sequence, and using adverbials, using action verbs, using simple present tense. To the short example, The short example for further text is Dah. Cep. Dah itu ya tadi nomor 2. Lagi.
C kan?
Ya.
The most interesting ya?
Iya.
The most sama gift. What is the most interesting? What is the most interesting during presentation?
The most interesting part during the presentation was listening to them talk about the material they presented.
Your suggestion for presentation?
I suggest using more visual or picture to make the presentation more interesting. Also, try to speak early and make eye contact with the audience.